with you into the bathroom, don't count it as knowledge. That's what he said. Every knowledge that doesn't come into the bathroom with you, into the washroom, the toilet, don't count it as knowledge. Because what comes into the bathroom with you, you leave your mushaf outside, you leave your books outside, you leave all your Islamic things outside when you go into the bathroom. But what's in your heart, you don't leave it outside. It comes in with you. So he said, Abdul Razzaq San'ani, every knowledge that doesn't go with a person into the bathroom, do not consider it knowledge. And he quoted the line of poetry, وَلَيْسَ بِعِلْمٍ مَا حَوَى الْقِمَطْرِ مَا الْعِلْمُ إِلَّا مَا حَوَاهُ الصَّدْرُ. He said, وَلَيْسَ بِعِلْمٍ مَا حَوَى الْقِمَطْرُ وَمَا الْعِلْمُ إِلَّا مَا حَوَاهُ الصَّدْرُ. Knowledge is not